been stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though it's been unspoken.
Hello dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. I am Santosh sir with another video of chemistry. I hope everybody will be fine at home and enjoying online class. Okay, so let us begin some question. Before this we have discussed this example, but today I will discuss this. Before this I gave some example, we discussed it. I gave this question to solve, but many students could not solve it. So I am going to solve here. Just you see steps, and if doubt is there, it will be clear. So the question is this. This is the question. P4 plus OH minus gives out PH3 plus HPO2. So this is whole equation. This is a redox reaction. And what type of redox reaction? This is a disproportionation reaction, because same element is oxidizing and reducing also. Okay, so let us see. From this we will find two half reaction. So what you seen here, you seen that this P4 gives out PH3 and P4 gives HPO2. So I have written oxidation state. Here oxidation state is 0 and then oxidation state is -3. You might be knowing how to calculate the oxidation state. So this, and here oxidation state of this one is 0 and that one is +2. So some students may have confusion, so I am solving here. Just X, let the oxidation state of P is X here. So X hydrogen is 1 and oxidation state is this, plus X plus here oxygen is 2 and oxidation state is this, equal -1. -1. We can take it here. So +1 plus X -4 equal -1. Yes. So X minus, here we will solve it. X minus 3 equal -1. Here X equal -1 plus 3 equal +2. So oxidation state is +2. So what you got here, you see that oxidation state change here. So I will write it here. For this I have left some place here. Okay, so let us see here. Oxidation state from here 0 to +2. So this is oxidation and that is a reduction. That is a reduction here. Just you see P4 -3, so reduction. So what we got two half part. We got two half part. After that we can solve it. So first we will solve one half part and then second half part. So I am taking first half part. So first half part I have taken here, means this one I have taken here. Okay, this one I have taken here. So let us see how does I have solved here. So I will write here to you understand here. Just I wrote this. What I wrote here, this you see P4 gives out here, gives out what? PH3. Okay, this much clear. So number of phosphorus that side 4, then we will multiply by 4 to this side. Now it is okay. And next here, what is next? Next we will see hydrogen, because oxygen is not. So we will see hydrogen. How many hydrogens are that side? There are 12 hydrogens. So we will add what? 12 hydrogen to this. 12 H plus to this. Here 12 H plus. This side I added here. It is clear? Okay. So this I added 12 H plus, and then we will see the charges. So this side, how much charges? 12 charge. That side no charge. So we will add what? Add 12 electrons to balance charge. To balance the charge. So if I will add here P4 plus 12 H plus 12 electrons gives out 4 PH3. Some students may be confused that how 12 is there. So 4 3s are 12. Okay. So this is half valence equation. This is half valence equation. So like after solving like this, I have written here half valence equation. Half valence equation I wrote here. So first, and I written it as third. So I written it as third. Okay, students. So first half we have solved, and let us move to second half. And second half is oxidation. So second half, what is second half? Second half is this. We can solve here and here. We can solve. Second, what is second half? Second half is this. This second part. P4 gives here what? HPO2 minus. Got it? Yes, you got. So let us see here. 4 is this side, that side. 1 is there, so we will multiply by 4. We multiply it by 4 and it equal. Okay, and next thing you see here. So oxygen, how many oxygens are that side? That side 2, 4 2s are 8 oxygen. So what we will do? For oxygen we use H2O and we will add 8 H2O. So like this we can also write here like this. Add 8 H2O to balance oxygen like this, or directly we can add here. So what will be P4 plus 8H2O gives out 4HPO2. Now we are moving to hydrogen. So how many hydrogen are that side? There are 4 hydrogen and this side 16 hydrogen. So how many H plus we have to add? We have to add, here minus is there. We have to add how many? This difference is that 16 minus 4. How much difference is this? The difference is 12. So we will add what? 12 H plus. 12 we will add here 12 H plus. So we can write like that, add 12 H plus to balance the hydrogen. But I am not writing here. So I will add here 12 H plus. What it? I wrote 12 H plus here. I will write. So it will be clear here. 12 H plus. Now let us see the charges. How to balance the charge. So in this ABC here, what is this? You see, no charge this side, that side. 4 minus and 12 plus. So equal 8 plus means 8 plus charges that side. And what we have to use? We have to use electron. So 8 H plus is there. So how many electrons can be used here? We will add 8 electrons. So this is the equation number 4. Got it? This is the equation number 4. So you might have seen this. Just to see, this is the equation number 4. After solving, I wrote there. Okay? After solving, I wrote there. So this is equation number 4. Got it? Here. Let us see. So first half is 30% and second half is 40%. So let us see some more point about this. What may be the point? Let us see here. Okay? Here. Let us see. I told you after balancing half reaction, what we will do? We will check number of electrons in both half equation are equal or not. So let us check that here. Number of electrons in 4. Number of electrons in 4 is 8, and here and this is 12. So how we can make it equal? Means before we add, we have to make equal the number of electron in each half reaction. Okay. So let us see here how we have made it. So if I multiply this one, means here just 12 and 8. So how we can make it equal? So if we make equal, means if I multiply this one by 2 and that by 3, so this will be 24 and that will be also 24. So what I have done? I have multiplied equation 3rd with 2 and equation 4th with 3. So I wrote here, multiply equation 3rd with 2 and equation 4 with 3. So after multiplying, I have written here, what I have written here, just to see. After multiplying, I written here 2PO2 plus 24H plus 24 electron gives out 8PS3. It is written equation 5. Next is here 3. After multiplying, 3P4 plus 24H2O gives out 12HPO2 plus 36 hydrogen plus 24 electron up to 6%. Is it clear? Is it clear? Up to 26. So now we are going to add. So I wrote here add. We can add it. Okay. So in adding, what we will do? Just all of you see. So let us see here. We are going to add. So we are adding here. So 2 and 3, 5, and here 24 H2O. Just to see. And in next 24 electron this side and 24 electron that side, we have cancelled it. 24 is cancelled by 24 electrons. And next if you see here 24 we wrote. What is remaining there? 8 PS3 and 12 HPO2. And next we see here that side 36 electrons are there and this side 24. How many? 24 electrons are there. So what we have to do? We have to solve it. If same things are opposite direction, so we will subtract it. So that is bigger. So from that we will subtract, and that 36 minus 24, that will be 12. Understood this? Here. So what we got here? We got up to there this. So what we have seen? We got balanced equation this. We got balanced equation this. Being acidic medium and being present H plus sign, we have to add. Here remember here what? Being basic medium, being basic medium 12 OH minus is added in both sides. This is the difference in acidic and basic medium. It is in basic medium and hydrogen ion is remaining, then we will add H. If hydrogen is remaining, how many hydrogens are remaining? Equal to that, we will add OH in both sides. So if I will add OH both sides, what will be this? Just to see how many is that? 12. So I will add here 12 OH minus this side and 12. Sorry, here I will add here. So I am here writing here 12 OH minus this side. Okay. So let me rub, and after that we will solve. We will try to solve here. So this understood. Being basic medium, 12 OH is added in both sides here. So I am going to rub this. Just all of us see here. This we got it. Okay. So let us move to this here. Okay. Let us move to this. So up to here, I think up to here we have solved it. Means up to there we have solved. And after adding OH, I am going to add here OH this side. Just all of you see here. You can see after adding. So we have added 12 OH. So here, please note this. So I have added 12 OH minus this side. Okay, 12 OH minus this side and 12 OH minus that side. Okay, got it. So you might be knowing this. This is this. What we can write in place of this? What we can write? 12H plus and 12OH. So it can be written what? 12H2 can be written? Yes. You will say yes, sir. It can be written. Yes, you are correct. So here we can write. Some students have still confused. Here 12H plus and 12OH minus. So if we see here, if H2, it breaks like this. H plus and OH minus. H plus and OH minus. So if one H2O can be written like this, if this is 12 and that is also 12, so we can make it 12. Yes. Now understood. Okay. So now it is clear. Next, if we see here, after this, we will see, just you see, come to the point. So we can write it equation number 7. We can write it equation number 7. Which equation? 7. Okay. So let us see here. After that, here what we will write? 5. Here, just all of you see it. So what we have said here, I have written. So again I am writing here 5PO4 plus 24H2O plus 12OH minus leaves out this, that, and in place of that I have written 12H2O. So what can be solved? You might be knowing that if same species are both sides, same species are both side. Here 24H2O, this is 24H2O, and that side 12H2O. So what we will have 24 minus 12. So how much is that? That is 12. Okay. So but which side is more? This side is more. So we will write 12H2O. Again we will write 5 P4 plus 12H2O plus 12OH minus without 8 PS3 and 12 HPO2. This is balanced ionic equation. This is balanced ionic equation. So students, please see it again and again. And if you are not able to understand, just say comment. I will give some solution. Okay, some more solution I will give you. But try to understand and read it, because because of you I have left places there, and I tried my best to make you understand. If understood, please like it. Don't forget to like it. Okay, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Whatever I taught, if you understood, just you like it. Okay, so please watch it again and again. After that, if any confusion is there, so you can comment on my channel. I will explain once more. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.